Okay, now let's see how to solve the value for the index given. So this is the equation whereby 3 power of x minus 1 equals to 27 power of 2x. So I have to, first of all, I have to change it to the same base. So 3x minus 1 equals to, this one will be 3 power of 3, okay, power of 2x. Okay, so the base are already same. So I have x minus 1 equals to 6x. So we will have uh, negative 1. Here will be 5x. So the value for the x is negative 1 over 5. Okay. So this is how I solve to get the value for the index. Okay, now let's see the second example. Here we have 3 power of 2 plus 3n equals to 81 multiplied by 3 power of n plus 2. So now I can bring this 3n plus 2 on this side using the products, using the rules of index. So I have 2 plus 3n divided by 3 power of n plus 2 equals to 81. Later we can change the 81 to the base of 3. So here we have 2 plus 3n minus 2. Product rules whereby divide is minus. So here I have 3 power of 4. So we have 2n equals to power of 4. So n equals to 2. Okay.